Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have x, y, x, y. This is about homogeneous. So in this situation, I will put about y equals to vx. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx. So we do first the derivative of v. So we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, that's about 1. So we just have only v. So s and y we change about vs, dy over dx, we change for this one. Now we simplify by s on numerator and denominator. So we put v go to the right. So we have negative v. About v, we can do about common denominator. So we put about 3 minus 2v. So v multiplied by 3 and negative 2v. Through fraction, we sum together, so we have plus 2v squared in here, because 3v minus 3v, they will cancel. So the s and s will go to the right, this one will go to the left. So we will have 3 minus 2v over negative number 2 plus 2v squared. And we have dx over s. Next, we put number 2 outside. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So, I will use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about v equals to secant of t. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dv equals to secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one go in here. dv we change for this one. Negative number 1 plus secant of t squared, we change for tan t squared. Tan t, we simplify. Secant of t, we change for 1 over cosine t. Tan t, we change for sine t over cosine t. Cosine t, we simplify. So we have 3 divided by 2 sine t and 2 secant of t divided by 2 sine t. This one we change for 3 over 2 cosecant of t. Secant of t we change for 1 over cosine t. So we have this one in here. So I will put number 2 and number 2 in here because I want to change into sine 2t. And then we have 2 cosecant of 2t. The integration of this one, we have 3 over 2 and we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotangent t. This one we have negative, but we have another negative from cosecant. So we have positive 2 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 2t plus cotangent 2t. And we put about c. This is about number 1. Now we go back to this one. And later that we change this one into t. That's about a secant of v. So we put this one go in here. The integration of ds over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and we put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. So we put this one to replace for v. And that's it, the final answer.